Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who. We back, baby, with another video. Whoa, I'm not about to flow, but I'm about to go acapella all day. I done came down, man. Get up out the way. Nikes on my feet, man, they dirty. I done came down, man. Please don't hurt me. My freestyle is whack, but that's okay. I rap from the heart, man, like Braveheart, man. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who. Back, baby. Another video, guys. So if you're ready to title a video about my Lasfit floor mats, man. And before we get this video started, I want to say thank you to our sponsors of today's video, which is Lasfit, guys. We will be doing a giveaway at the end of the video, so stick around to the end of the video to find out how to enter the giveaway. Get yourself a free set of Lasfit mats, man. So let me go ahead and talk about it, man. I'll show y'all real quick. They might be dirty because I haven't washed them, but boom, here they are, my Lasfit floor mats, man. So I have had these almost now for about a year, guys, in my truck. About 10, 11 months, very close to a year. And I can say I love them. I have zero regrets about these mats, man. I just love them, honestly. If you slap another name besides Lasfit on this mat, you wouldn't be able to tell if they weren't like Husky or anything else. These mats are great. I love them. And for the price point, can't beat it, man. What I love about the Lasfit mats, and the first thing I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, is the fitment. Look how they fit. They fit super flush, man, like all the way around, guys. Super flush. And again, I had these for a year. Only way I can kind of tell here, it's not fit maybe as flush as it once was. You kind of see there, kind of popping out a little bit. But other than that, well, actually it's stuck down there now when I did that. But actually, these mats are perfect cut fit. And the thing I like the most too, they come all the way down here to really give you that extra protection, man. That's probably my favorite thing, the fit and how flush they look. They're very, very flat, as you can see. Probably can't see from where I'm up here. Bring down for y'all. Look at that. Look how flat they are. They're very, very flush. 10 times better than the Motor Trend mats I had in here. Those things were hideous. My second favorite part is going to be the coverage. Since the fit is basically, they laser cut these perfectly fit to an F150, guys, the coverage is absolutely perfect. I have literally not have to vacuum underneath my mats, guys. Let me show y'all. I haven't vacuumed. You can see the seats is dirty, the truck is dirty, but watch where under the mat. Look at that, clean, because of the fitment, bro. The fitment is so perfect that they literally stay clean. My truck interior stays clean, guys, because the fit of these mats are so perfect. Gotta love it. That just cuts down on maintenance, cuts down on my carpet getting dirty, mildew, anything like that. With a spillage, nothing. The mat covers so much, protects so much, that I'd never have to vacuum my carpet. Now, you probably want to do it if you want to every now and then, just cause, but I haven't vacuumed my carpet in I don't know how long. And you can tell, because this part right here is dirty, as you can see, dirty here. But under there, clean as a whistle, baby. Clean as a whistle. And finally, the last thing I have to say about them, guys, is how sturdy they are. Look at this. They are very sturdy. They don't bend very easy. Go ahead and take them out for y'all really quick. Show y'all. Like, look at that. Very sturdy application. Like, super sturdy. It don't bend. It don't get all bendy and flappy. Like, this is very, very sturdy, man. And I like it. I dig these. These are probably some of the best mats I have ever had in my truck, for sure. Like, love them. Can't go wrong, man. Now, where these mats have protected me, and I'll show y'all. I don't have too many spills. I haven't had really many spills in my car, but in my truck, excuse me, but I did have a spill back here. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. I had like some oil that leaked out of one of my like little cleaning bag. As you can see here, see how the Lasfit mat caught that? Boom, caught it down here too. So actually, it actually spilled all the way down here, but since it has this nice ridge right there, it actually caught all that. So none got down here on this part. So yeah, so that's where it came in handy and helped me out one time catching the spillage right there, as y'all can see, man. I'm actually probably gonna try to clean at the car wash. I can't remove this one, guys, my back one. As you all know, my amp is over here and this mat is actually nailed and screwed into the actual carpet, so I can't take this one out. But you can see here as well, it's clean back here also, man. And the coverage on the back, oh no, sorry, I almost broke my seat. Hey, look how flush it fits all along the back, man. Excuse those, that's my LED lights right there. But this thing is a great fitting mat, guys. Like, you cannot be mad at it. And it's just great. I have zero complaints about this freaking mat. I love them. I love the way they look. I love the protection it gives me. I love how sturdy they've been. And like I said, guys, it's almost been a year, man, a year. And these things look great. I can't complain. Apologize, guys, I'm sweating because it is hot as heck in Dallas. Heat advisory. We're on the energy conservation advisory and all that stuff, man. So apologize, I'm sweating. But of course, you guys have seen how they fit. You've seen how well they protect here. You see how they look. They look amazing. Now you want to know how easy are they to clean. So what we about to do now, I'm gonna go over. Usually last time I had my bottle of water and all that. I do got a bottle of water, but that's for me, I'm thirsty. So I'm gonna just go over to the car wash real quick, spray them down, soak them up, clean them so y'all can see yourself how they clean, how easy they are to clean. You can see here at the front on the driver's passenger side. My side's a lot more dirty as well because it's not many people sit over here on this side. But anyway, so let's go ahead, go over and clean them up, and then we'll talk about it. All right, guys, I want to show y'all real quick before look of me washing the mats. Here they are, as y'all can see. Oh, nice and dirty. Oh, I'm in the light. Oh, y'all can see. Dirty. Go ahead, wash them off real quick and see how well and easy they clean up. Mats all clean. Let's go ahead and just dry them off real quick. See how they come out. I do want to show y'all something that I forgot to mention. They do have that micro bead technology on them, as y'all can see there. Forgot to mention that in the video, but yeah, it does have micro bead technology to help that stuff just run off. All right, guys, that is the finished product. As you can see, mat is clean. This one's still a little wet, but cleans very, very easy. Look at that. It looks like new, man. I'm trying to get this in the sun for y'all. There we go. Y'all can see clean, like it's brand new, man. So yeah, guys, they're great mats, easy to clean. I'm telling y'all, I love it, man. I love these mats. Let's talk about the giveaway. How do you enter the giveaway? If you've been following my channel for a while, this is my second set of Lasfit mats I am giving away. So again, y'all thank them. How to enter? I don't ask too much, guys. One, gotta be subscribed to Lasfit's YouTube channel. Two, gotta be subscribed to my channel, of course. Three, like the video, thumbs up. The last thing, send me proof of you following Lasfit, subscribe to their channel, proof you subscribe to my channel, and like the video. Send me proof of that via email at right there. I kind of changed it. I changed it up a little bit. Go ahead, send me proof of those three things. Send it in an email showing a screenshot that you're subscribed. And that's it, guys. You'll be entered to win. That's it. I'm not asking you to buy nothing. I'm not asking you to donate. Not asking you to do none of that, man. Just support me. And if you feel more supported, go on Instagram and support me over there, bro. That's all you got to do. You ain't got to do nothing crazy right now, man. Just support your boy Q. And that allows me to partner with companies like Lasfit, who are willing to give away free product and great product too to one of you all for participating. So if you don't win, of course, you can always use my code. Put it right there for y'all in the description to save you some money, man. So you can use that code as well if you do not win. So I'm gonna post this video June, what is that? It's gonna be June 15th. You have until Monday, June 21st to get your entry submitted. And the video, I will announce the I will announce the winner on Tuesday, the 22nd, I believe that is. Yes, Wednesday the 22nd, Tuesday the 22nd. So they give you 7 days to go enter, man. So, hey, get out there, enter. Again, only thing you gotta do, subscribe to Lasfit, subscribe to me, like the video, and send proof. Boom, you're in to win. That's it. All you gotta do, get you a set of free Lasfit mats for your F150. I forgot to mention, the mats are for 2015 to 2021 F150, guys. So it's a pretty big range. That's basically all the new ones. So 2015 to 2021, you can get you some Lasfit formats, man. Thank you to Lasfit again for sponsoring this video and coming out with a great product. I think, in my opinion, man, these masks are flawless. A few of you all have ordered them and told me that you love them too. You know, you can go watch the video in the comments. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not gonna say you something I ain't gonna use myself, guys. So thank y'all for tuning in. Go ahead, get your entries. Go ahead, kick with your boy Q, and I'll catch y'all next, baby. Peace.
Yeah.